Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on flash notification on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know, that flash notification on a phone is used to alert users to incoming calls, alarms, or other notification, especially when the phone is on silent or the user may not hear the sound. And how to turn on the flash notification is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your phone, and then now you can scroll down and go to wallpaper and personalization. And then after that, now you can go to notification effects, and now you can choose the effect of flash notification, so that if there's incoming notification, the screen will flashing out. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to turn on flash notification, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.